Kanti ngokumbukeli umhla weshumi elinesine kuNovemba yimini apho kunikwa ingqalelo kwisifo seswekile kwihlabathi jikelele. Kuqikelelwa ke abantu abangaphaya kwe-3.85 million eMzantsi Afrika abaphila nale ngilo, kuquka ke abo bangazaziyo xabe. Yingulo ke lechaphazela umntu wonke ayinaminyaka kuquka nebala. Siza kuva ke ngebali likaSiyabonga Zuma lokuphila ngesifo seswekile. Siyabonga, masikubulise sikwamkele SABC lihaye sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Molweni, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ngithanda ukubonga just for having me kwi-show yenu namhlanje kuseni kwi-World Diabetes Day.
Kubulela thina. Ndiyathanda into yokubana Siyabonga wabelene nathi ngebali lakho. Ingaba mhlawumbe wafunyaniswa ukuba ukwibanga lesihlanu, ngamava akho kuthetha ukuthini ukuhlala nesifo seswekile?
So for me ukuhlala nesifo sikashukela, but it means ukuthi nje basically kumele ngihlale ngijova. Ngiyajova ekuseni, before ngidle ngijove, before ngidle emini, before ngidle ebusuku, before ngilale ebusuku. And enye into ukuthi isifo sikashukela isinto ophila nayo for 24/7. Khona lento ekuthiwa i-Blue Balloon Challenge. Ukubona imodlala ngebhaluni ukuthi if waliyeka la phansi liyaqhuma. So uphila nesifo sikashukela into kanjalo. Whether ulele noma usemsebenzini noma you're having fun, you always have to worry about ushukela wakho uzoreacta kanjani to leyo nto. So that's what it means ukuphila nesifo sikashukela sukela ngika grade 5.
Isifo iswekile xebe sineenhlobo ezimbini. Ungathi mhlawumbe wena uneyiphi kwaye ithetha ukuthini?
So ngiyabonga for ukungibuza lo mbuzo because abantu babuye bayididanisa i-diabetes, bayathanda ukuthi it's just i-diabetes, but i-diabetes inenhlobo eziningi, not just two by the way, but because of i-show sokhuluma nge-2, which is type 1 no type 2. So mina ngine type 1. I-type 1 is i-autoimmune disease. Into eyenzeka ukuthi amasosha omzimba ami decide nje one day ukuthi avela ahlaselane, etshela ukuthi athetha isifo thizeni emzimbeni wami kanti asehlaselana wodwa. And what happened, destroy into ekuthiwa i-pancreas esiswini sami. Leyo nto iproduce into ekuthiwa i-insulin. So mina i-pancreas yami ayisakwazi ukuproduce i-insulin mengidla. So manje sekumele ngiyijove i-insulin. So that's type 1. And there's no way to prevent the type 1. Then there's the type 2 diabetes. The type 2 diabetes can be caused by maybe, how could I put it, a lifestyle. For example, what you eat. Also, are you active? Umuntu active na. So you know, it can be prevented. Not to say bonke bayakwazi, but it can be prevented ngenxa yama lifestyle akho. So izinto eziwu-2 engafani, but zo-2 zinawo ama-aspects ama-genetics.
Uyatsho into yokubana kuwe yabona usenza ibanga lesihlanu, usentsho wawusemncinci uqonda ukuthi hayibo yintoni ngoku ndizawuvelelwa sisifo sikashukela. Uye wazigcina njani usempilweni kusukela oko? Singajonga impilo nje yomzimba kodwa sijonge nempilo yengqondo kuba kaloku sengumntwana ngoku kwakunjani nje?
So mengatshela ngesikhathi ngidiagnosed ngika grade 5 ngasho kwakulula at the time because ngangisayingane really nginga-understand kwenzakalani, but as ngikhula also yonke into iyakhula, even ne-peer pressure iyakhula. So that's when manje usuqala-ke nabangani bakho, usubona izinto ezenziwa abangani bakho and usu-more self-conscious. And I ended up hiding isifo sikashukela ukuthi ngiphila naso isifo sikashukela because of ama-stigmas engangiwezwa ngaso isifo sikashukela ukuthi isifo sabantu abadala, ushukela kakhulu. So ngasifihla nje kwabantu abaningi. Lokho kwanga-affecta kakhulu emqondweni because ngathini umusa kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ngiyaphila namhlanje. Ukuthi ngiphila kanjani angazi because ngayindalja kwi-lifestyle ekwangamele ngindalje kuyona umuntu ophila nesifo sikashukela. Luckily ngakwazi ukuthi ngigcine sengikhulumile ngaso isifo sikashukela, and ukukhuluma ngako kuyaphilisa. It's very empowering ukukhuluma ngesifo sikashukela because it's where ukwazi khona ukubona abanye abantu ukuthi kanjena nabo bakhona baphila naso and ba-right njengawo.
Kulento yezigma ndiqinisekile into yokubana abanye abantu bazabuyela emva, umuntu angafuni into yokubana ayotesta kuba mhlawumbe ecinga izinto ezithile. Kodwa nami xa ndikujongile nalapha kumamona kude umhle uright ubright uqhafukhafu, akho nto mhlawumbe umuntu azathi xa kujonga athi hey lo unoshukela ntontoni. Ingaba kutheni nje kubalekile ukuba ukhuthaza abantu ukuba bazi ngesifo seswekile kwaye lithini ilizwi lakho apho umemelela abantu bamabasukume bayozijonga?
No, kubalulekile impela ukuthi sikhulume ngaso isifo sikashukela because kugqugquzela abantu njengobusho ukuthi babone ukuthi no kuyaphileka ngaso because enye into ekuyenzeka ukuthi khona lento yokuthi mekukhulunywa ngesifo thizeni kuvezwa abantu abakwi-dire situation obone ngazi ukuthi siphilile impilo yakhe but engathi ukuthi singavezwa more as abantu abakhuluma naso because nami ungibona nje ngikhuluma ngesifo sikashukela ngingasho ukuthi I wouldn't say ngabona umuntu ekhuluma ngesifo sikashukela but ukuzwa abanye abantu bekhuluma ngezinye izifo ezazi babhekile nabo such as o-HIV and ukunika i-hope lento ukuthi nami uthi ngikhulume ngesami isifo only to find ukuthi as ngikhuluma ngaso isifo sami sikashukela ngizohlangana nabanye abakhuluma ngaso isifo sikashukela and I felt empowered and nami ngifuna uku-empowerisha abanye abantu ukuthi baphile naso isifo sikashukela ukuze bakwazi ukuphila impilo e-healthy physically, mentally and spiritually.
I like that. UNovember ukwanguMovember #Movember apho ke sinika ingqalelo kwimpilo yamadoda. Ekutheni nje kubalekile kuba amadoda athathe ingqalelo kwaye ayithabathe ingqalelo yemiba yezempilo.
So le yamadoda ingithinta kakhulu because I always feel like society has a huge impact kwi-mental health yamadoda, not just the physical health. Reason why ngisho njalo is because mawukhula as indoda society as a whole kuba nalento ukuthi indoda ayikhali. So the moment wabona indoda iba vulnerable njengami ikhuluma nanoma yini ebhekene nayo whether isifo sikashukela or anything kuba ukuthi hayi indoda weak. So society kunika leyo picture and then leyo nto ivimba amadoda ukuthi angakhulumi ngasesifo sikashukela. What does that lead to manje? Leyo nto mina ngokwami I feel like that's one of our causes of our issues such as GBV and violence against women esibhekene nayo. I feel like it's one of our root causes because if ugcina into ngaphakathi as indoda uzoyikhipha kanjani? Into ozoyikhipha ngayo i-anger lesuke si-pens inside usuyikhipha kwabantu aba-weak nawe aba-vulnerable. So kubalekile ukuthi si-embrace i-health ukuze nathi sizokwazi ukuphila ngaphakathi because if ungaphili wena ngaphakathi as umuntu wesilisa or umuntu in general uzomphilisa kanjani omunye umuntu ophilisana naye?
Usathetha kanjalo njengokuba kuvela kwinto kubana oku wakufumana uku-grade 5 kuye kwaba khona i-petition kulonyaka nalapho ibilonjwe yi-SA Diabetes Advocacy nalapho isisho into kubana abantwana mabanikezwe ingqalelo especially abantwana abafumanekiseke bane-diabetes. Inoba mhlambe zeziphi challenges abantwana abancinci abaye bajongene nazo nalapho sobona sekuthiwa mhlambe kukhona into eyi-petition?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngibuzile ngalo petition because bengikhona kuyizolo not izolo previous day kuyona i-diabetes summit where we handed over leyo petition to i-Department of Health. So kubaleka kakhulu because akumnandi ukuhlala ucofa so ingane iba traumatized nje ukuthi ekseni kumele icofoze umuntu ukuthi check ushukela phuma igazi isemini mhlambe 6+ times a day and that's if you are une privilege yokucofa 6 times a day. Khona abantu abangakwazi ukucofa even once and kubalekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi usholethu uba ngesikhathi ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sithekelisha kanjani khona uzowazi ukuthi ukudla kwakho ukudla kanjani because sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi ushukela wehle ube phansi and then ngesikhathi uphansi ushukela kumele udle ushukela for type 1 diabetes kumele udle ushukela ukuze ukwazi ukukhuphula but how will you know if ungenayo into yokuchecka? So for ingane it's more difficult ukuthi bazi and i-CGM isiza ngako lokho because in real time uyawubona ukuthi ushukela yakho wenzani. Yabo uma ngikhuluma nani manje ngizoyibona ukuthi i-interview le nginayo ibe nayiphi i-effect ishukela wami, i-stress enginaso emsebenzini or esikoleni kube nayiphi i-effect kushukela wami. So ibaleka kakhulu ukuthi sibe nayo access to i-CGM.
Siyaqonda ukubana kunsuku zatywala ngaphambi kokuba uMzantsi Afrika asingathe ingqungquthela ye-G20. Siyaqonda ukubana eminye imiba ephambili ezawuthi iqovulwe yimiba yempilo. Mhlambe kwaba bantu abasuka phesheya kwamalwandla bazabe betshintshiselana ngeqonga kwimiba yempilo. Mhlambe lakho ilizwi ungathanda into okubana ibe intoni abayivelisayo uqinisekisa into okubana esi sifo seswekile sinikezwa ingqalelo.
Ngingathanda kuqala nje ba-acknowledge ukuthi i-diabetes iyi-national crisis It's not just isifo nje, it's a national crisis because it's the leading cause of death kwabantu besifazane la eSouth Africa, and it's the second leading cause of death kwabesilisa. And ayona inkinga kuphela la eSouth Africa but globally. So ngingathanda ukuthi firstly nje acknowledge nje ukuthi i-World Diabetes Month. Like it shouldn't be ukuthi nje akukhulunywa, ngamele acknowledge ukuthi inyanga yethu abantu abaphila noshukela. Noma ubona ngqoka ublue namhlanje, it's because of i-World Diabetes Day.
Kukhona nengxelo zokuba uMzantsi Afrika unokushokoxeka kweepodiatrist. Mhlambe ke wena liqinisekile into kubana ulazi ngcono elobali. Ingaba mhlambe kungasetyenziswa njani especially ngoku sikwi-AI fourth industrial revolution ukuqinisekisa into kubana noko ziba khona inguqu nempucuko eyenzekayo?
Usho mayelana nama-podiatrist?
Yes.
Yeah, no, ngingathanda nami ngingasho nje, ngingaba honest as umuntu ophila nesifo sikashukela. After i-diabetes summit le kade ngikuyona, kube eye opener because the last workshop I attended was actually directed to ama-podiatrist. And ngifunde izinto kade ngingazazi about ama-podiatrist. I even made a friend oyi-podiatrist naye from not from lapho, but sifike naye and I only learned more ngayi podiatry lapho. And i-diabetes kumele kwazi ukuthi i-affect izinto ey'ningi. Ngoba sikhuluma ama-podiatrist izoningi yawo, amehlo, ama-kidney. So kumele sibheke zonke lezi
And we've also had celebrities, you know, who are speaking out and who are living positively nge-diabetes. But siya sabona into yokubana abantu badla ngokugxekwa, especially online. Abantu bakhomente kakubi nge-weight zabo, bathethe nje izinto ezilumezayo. Lithini ilizwi lokukhuza i-society yethu ukuze abantu bafundiseke ngesisifo?
Okay, firstly ngicela ukuthi nje na if ufunda ngesifo sibe mindful of i-language siyisebenzisayo. Kube ne-distinction. Yes, type of diabetes can be prevented ngokwehlisa i-intake of izinto ozidlayo ezingekho healthy. But when it comes to type 1 diabetes, ngiyawudinga ushukela sometimes. Ungangibona ngidla ikhekhe and ube like, why udla ikhekhe unesifo sikashukela? Why ufaka ushukela ongaka? Kanti awazi ukuthi at that time ngi-experience i-hypo is when ushukela yakho phansi, mhlawumbe uyo-2.9, 3 point something. So lapho I need ushukela. So abantu abanikwa i-platform to speak about i-diabetes on a national level, kumele baqale nje ngokudistinguish ukuthi sikhuluma nge-type 1 ne-type 2, singayifaki i-diabetes kwi-umbrella nje ukuthi uma ufuna ukuprevent isifo sikashukela ungawudli ushukela, because that's not the case.
Siyabonga, ibali lakho liyachukumisa kakhulu kuba uthetha ngento oyaziyo nawe oyi-experienceayo kwaye singatsho sithi ulilitha lelanga kwintsunguzi zobumnyama. Ungathi mhlambe kwi-campaigns oye ube nazo apho uqinisekisa into yokubana olulwazi unalo uvundlisa nabanye kusukela komncinci ukuya komdala. Belana nathi nge-campaigns ne-programs onazo.
Okay, so khona involved kuyona campaign for November in partnership with Sweet Life. I-Sweet Life organization yase Cape Town online diabetes. Namhlanje sine campaign #WeBlueForDiabetes and change a life. So si-encourage abantu, i-Sweet Life inika abantu abawu-hundreds South Africa ukuthi ama-pack or do it yourself packages ukuthi bazenzele ama-event bekhulisa i-knowledge about i-diabetes. I'll be attending one of them on Monday. And then enye futhi ilo is engenza mina ngisizwa i-Aquel donated some money kumina as umuntu diabetes advocate living with diabetes, and ngiplana i-diabetes awareness fun run walk ngasekhaya ese-Knives Boma, where people will come raise awareness about diabetes. Kube nama-stands, kuzobe khona umngane wami lo podiatrist naye uzobe nesakhe stand, just raising low awareness and sibonane siyabantu, because iyadingeka leyo nto emphakathini ukuthi njena even ingane ethi iyakhula ibone ukuthi no, angikho ngedwa, ingafani njengami ukuthi ikhulisa ibone ininto ukuthi ifihle ushukela. So yona i-walking.
Siyabonga. Enkosi kakhulu ngokwabelana nathi uvundlise nababukeli siqonelela impilo enhle kwaye ke kube kuhle kube licamako. Enkosi kakhulu. Right mukeli we-SABC lihaye besihlanu indlebe naye uSiyabonga Zuma ophila nesifo seshukela okanye iswekile. Sawuthi qha ke mbukeli kulondawo.